Hello everyone. In this video we are going to have some doubt clarifications. Students have many doubts for December 2021 exam. Inter and final students have so many doubts regarding admit card. Like admit card is not yet available for the registration number. If SMS is not received from our institute, then opt out or additional group added is not reflected in the admit card, and how to print the admit card, and so many doubts. Let us have some clarifications about these doubts in this video. In our institute website, go to students tab and then exam tab and then admit card. Then you will see this window. Select your course, intermediate or final. If the server is not unavailable, that is server is working, you will have this window open. Here admit card, show status and print. First you have to enter your registration number in this box. Then show status and print admit card, these two tabs will become enabled. Enabled means these two tabs will be in blue color. So first show status will be in blue color. When you put your registration number, if for your registration number admit card is already issued, then print admit card tab is also enabled. That is, it becomes blue in color. If admit card is not issued in your registration number, then print admit card will be in striken, will be in the position of striken. It will not be enabled. So how can you know whether admit card is issued in your registration number or not? We have one option. Let us try this option, but this is not a final one. To use this option, you should have one registration number for which already admit card is issued. It may be your friend's number or any one person already known to you. So enter the registration number for which already admit card is issued. In this box, enter the registration number for which already admit card is issued. Then the show status and the print admit card tab will become enabled. Both these tabs will be enabled like this. Now replace the registration number. Here already you put a registration number of your friend or some other person, isn't it? Replace this registration number with your registration number or any other person for whom the admit card position is to be known. Then click out the print admit card. Here, if admit card is already issued in this number, you will get the admit card. Otherwise, this message will come: admit card not issued against this registration number. The show status will show the group applied, the group for which you have made application for exam. This will be shown in the show status button. But when print admit card is enabled, then only you can get the admit card, or otherwise if admit card is not issued, you will get this message. Okay. In the show status button, it shows only the group already applied by you. You may opt out or add some other group in this application, but it will not reflect in the show status position. It will be reflected only in admit card. When you print out the admit card, it will be reflected. So you need not worry about the opt out or additional group added is not reflected in the show status. It will be definitely reflected in the admit card. You need not worry about this. So if admit card is not issued for your registration number, you will get this message, but this is not the final confirmation. Still you have to get some confirmation from our institute. But this message that admit card not issued against this registration number is not the final confirmation one. Just you can get some idea about whether exam is from 8th December or 3rd January for you. you have to get confirmation from our institute. When you receive the SMS regarding the reschedule of a exam from 3rd January in your registered mobile number, it is okay. Otherwise, you have to confirm from our institute by sending an email and get confirmation. The email ID is given here, exam.helpdesk@icmai.in. Please mail only to this email, because particularly in the admit card session it is given that please contact at exam.helpdesk@icmai.in only. So please mail only to this email ID. If you already received a SMS that admit card is not issued for your registration number and your exam will start on January 3rd, it is the final confirmation. So your exam will be from 3rd January, for which the schedule will be given by the institute in due course. And regarding the printout, many students say that they are unable to make a print from this admit card, so they have taken the screenshot, which is not very clear. So there is one option. You just press Ctrl P in the page of admit card and save it as PDF file. So in the place of printer, you just select a PDF and save it as a PDF, so that you can print it at your convenience time. I hope you have some clarifications about the many doubts regarding the admit card issues. In case you have any further doubts, ask in the comment box. Also ask your doubts in our Telegram group, the link which is given in the description box. If you are not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it. Let us see in the another video.